Good morning, everyone. It's me, Kelvin. So, it's again another new day for us to check out the Hong Seng Index, how to trade on this. So, first thing, let's take a look at yesterday of the market Hong Seng Index price movement. And we can see from here down to here. So, approximately about 250 points. Okay. So that's what we are looking for, the price fluctuation of 250 points. And let's take a look here. We only have 100 points, 250 points. Let's see. So before we make any entry here, I want to check out like how do they move the price, see whether, as I always say, okay, before after 10, if let's say they don't have not matched this 250 points, then they will go according to the price up. So let's see. At the moment, it doesn't show any sign of reversal. Yeah, it's not shown any sign of reversal yet, so we can slowly wait and see. Okay. And right now, oh yeah, I forgot about one thing. Okay, let me put it here. I forgot to turn on my trading platform. So let me turn on my trading platform first. Let's see. Price shoot up fast, price down slowly. Good morning. So yesterday was a bad trade. My lesson learned yesterday is if want to exit, I would say, okay, exit, just sell. When you want to sell, we just sell. But yesterday, I don't know why, I just hold on to it. And then I didn't make the exit on time, so I made lesser profit. I was like, that's so bad for me. Let's check. Okay. Price going up and down, so we only have like about 5 minutes to market open. Breaking news, realistic stocks continue to decline. At least today the gap down is not that high. At least it's still okay. So right now we still do not know where it's going to go, whether it's moving up or going down. Yesterday it went down to about, the lowest point is about 191. So it went up, it didn't touch the 273, but almost at this point. So some I sent out for an exit yesterday to my clients, and then for myself, I think somewhere around here only I take the profit. Okay, so it's way lesser yesterday. Not a good example for you guys to look at it. Okay. So right now is on the way down, and we have to check. We have to wait and wait and wait. Price down, volume is not that high, so 3 more minutes to 10 o'clock. I do want to check on news. Hong Seng Index. So let's see, is there any of reversal sign here where the price is up fast, down fast. Can't see much like that. Do let me know what do you think about today Hang Seng Index, how far I can go. All right. But of course, don't feel bad if let's say it doesn't go up to that level. So it doesn't matter, because sometimes for myself also, I think that it will go that way. But of course, ultimately, you should let me know the you should say about your have something to support, okay, for the price movement, not just like based on guts, okay, the analysis. We have to look at the analysis. Everything based on analysis, then is much better. So it won't be always looking at the profit or trying to prove ourselves correct, then it causes losses, you know, things like that. Just share it out to Facebook. But I can't share to Facebook right now. It is can't directly share it to them. So we haven't have any Okay, all right. Let's see. Volume is not that high, but can consider as a bit high. All right, it's 10 a.m. and we don't see any of the movement here. So what we can do is right now we have to wait for the sign to show that there is a very confirmed direction that it comes up. At least it's not like let's say for example they move up higher. If they move up higher, doesn't move up to the higher point, then we can basically go for a short. But we have to check. Okay, if let's say it move up higher, then we have to go for a bull. Okay, go for a bull contract. $250. Today the price range $250. Okay, it's pushing a little bit up higher. So it's just a little bit up higher. Let's see, volume is not that high when they're pushing up. Pointy. Okay, press it back down. I think probably we have to wait until about like 10:20 or 10:30 to know the direction. I mean, myself, I don't really look into news because sometimes news really I'm not a person that I can separate, like organize the information that I have read at the moment. So that's why I always try to separate out. So avoid looking at it so it doesn't affect my analysis on the price and volume. Okay, we have one price up fast and price down right after that. So my technique right now to make it easier for you to understand is basically something like looking for the support and the resistance. But the difference here is that I want to see that overall the buyers, the support, where is it? But I will, for myself, I'll enter on the support and also sell on the resistance. So that's the difference. I don't do any resistance breakout. Okay, so that's my way of doing it. Okay. Fast up, one fast down. So the reason why I don't do the resistance breakout is because if you notice, resistance breakout is always late for the entry because you need to come in with the high volume, with the high price breakout. So by the time you enter, will be at this point. So it's too late. So it's very near to, maybe you just move up slightly a bit, then the profit that you will get, and comparing to the losses that you could possibly cut loss, sorry, okay, is the risk and reward is not that great. Okay, the risk is higher, reward is lower. So that's why I prefer to look at the support. Sorry, not just look at the support. I prefer to look at like buy on support, sell on resistance. So which means in this case we are using callable bull or bear contract for Hang Seng Index. So when I see that they are having a support, they are going to have a reversal, demand is coming in, then I'll go for a bull contract. And if let's say I see they started to sell, they have no intention to mark the price up higher, then I'll go for what do you call that, the bear contract. Okay, so how do you differentiate that? Is very simple. You can see, look into M+ Global, you can find, go to the market, click Hong Kong, click Hang Seng Index, and then you will see the warrants here. Click on the warrants and you will find all of this here. Okay, so those with the hash are the callable bull or bear, and then HSI is the underlying, and then RP. Those with the RP is actually put, which is bear contract. RC is actually call. So those are the bull contract. So usually I'll just I'll look at the outstanding, make sure the outstanding is not too much. Somewhere around like below 1% or 2%, then it will be a better choice. And of course, very important is the strike price. The strike price here is 19,522. So which means that this is a bear contract, all right? So you are looking for it to go back. So if Hang Seng Index today mark up to about 19,522, then this bear contract, this bear will get knocked out. So when get knocked out, so you will lose whatever you have traded in this bear contract. All right. So looking at this 19,522, 522, that's about like 400 based on the current price movement. There's about like 400 points of weight. So I for me it's acceptable. I can look at it. Okay, conversion ratio is good. So if I were to go for a bear contract, then I would look at this. So what if today we would need to look at the bull contract? So bull contract, we have to find a bull contract. So this is a bull contract here. So let's see. We can check strike price 18650. So it's still about like 500, 450 points away. So it's still okay. Conversion ratio is 10,000, so it's good. Outstanding 7.5% for myself. Still acceptable if the others are about the same. Okay, but I prefer to look for something that's lower. The reason is because outstanding means that how many percentage of this bull contract is out in the market, which is held by the investors. So if let's say the more it is holding by the investor, then that is more likely the pricing of this bull this bull contract is the market have the what do you call that, the control of it. Okay, is the pricing will be much affected by the retail investors. Okay, so in that case I'll just look for something lower, which is this one, 5106 here, 18608. So for 500, about 500 points difference. 0.48 outstanding, so looks good. Conversion ratio is 10,000, so it's still okay as well. So what is the pricing is like? So it's slightly more expensive, 5.4 cents. So just now when we look at this call, it's only 50 cents. But of course right now the price will be different. So but we saw the one that down here, 69729. This is about 51 cents, so it's much cheaper. 2% 10,000. So okay. Look for something that is cheaper. Don't go for those that is like 10 cents or all those. There's no point. But of course, we need to make sure that they have a trading volume so that when we want to sell them, we can sell. So there's more fluctuation to it. Okay. So looking at it, so seems like it's on the way down. Then let's go for a bear contract. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No. Wait a minute. Sync warrant. Oh, this one 5. Oi, don't go first. Okay. Okay, how much is it right now? 40 cents. Let's go in. Partially filled, so I only left like 10,000 lots. Not lots. Unit is not filled. There. Okay. Let's see. Partly filled. I update a bit. Should be fully filled. Okay, fully filled. So it's 4-1 right now. So yesterday, what I did wrong is when I take profit, I try to use the enhanced limit. So I just don't care. I want to sell at that price. So that is a wrong way to exit any of the trades. Okay, so I did that wrong. So you guys have to take note of that. So my mistake is your lesson. All right. So I pay for that lesson, so you learn from that. Okay, that sounds fair. You know, the reason is like you in Malaysian market, I don't do that very often is because is I can do a lot more self-control on that is because Malaysian market, you have nothing much to expect there because the return, all those is not, fluctuation is not that high, honestly. And here in Hang Seng Index for this bull bear contract is really high. Okay, so we can see one day can make like about 1,000, you know, things like that. So, and somehow we need to have a different kind of mindset when we look into it. When we are doing trades, we need to have like more towards to the processing rather than looking just at the result of it. Of course, every one of us, we want to have a result, which a lot of people always think that result is more important. That is something that it can driven us to achieve that result. But sometimes when we have this kind of expectation, it's going to put us on pressure or stress. So trading is a job that require us to reduce the stress, okay, not to trade under stress. Okay, so if we are having this and then we are having the stress, it's not going to be good. So that's why you have to learn. Okay, this is a process. So you might say like, how can it be like that and things like that, but it is like that. You might not understand right now, but the more you trade, you try to look back into those time when you trade, when you make losses. Why do you make losses most of the time? Is you compare it, you know, the time when you are trying out the strategies, you have no stress about that, you can make profit. But when you start to have confidence in your trades, okay, in your strategies, then you start to lose. Why? Because your focus is more towards to the money profit making rather than focus on following each of the strategy steps and all those. Okay, so that is the huge difference. Oops, click the wrong one. One moment, please. You turn on the aircon. Okay, I didn't know the control is next to me. Let's see. If we are talking about high volume, right now the nearest to the highest volume is about like 370 million, and the one that considered high is about like 5 million. Let's see whether do we have any sign that there has any reversal yet. At the moment, basically not much. So that's why whenever I do trades, I try to not look into the profit, how much we are making right now. But because right now it's doing live stream, so I have to show it to you guys. If there is a reversal come from here sign, then we have to go for exit. Let me know your thoughts. Bouncing up. But there's no sign of reversal. Let's wait. Okay, so far there's no sign of reversal, so we can just continue to wait and see. It should up fast. Wouldn't be doing any take profit yet. I mean, like exit yet, because there isn't much sign of reversal. Wow, it seems like a strong price up. Pointing up here again. Very high volume. This price up is high volume. It's about 345 million. I can't use the way saying like it move up fast and then it will come up down fast in this case, because it hasn't reached the benchmark yet. So they might create higher volume to mark the price higher. Today the pricing, if it moves this way, well, it makes sense. But I think it's more towards to the downside. Price up, price down. Volume. There's high volume here, so we need to check the when they have the price retrace, how does the retrace will be like. Not having retrace yet. So we have to wait. Boring market. Well, trading is like that. It's boring. It's never exciting. It's only exciting when you find it, when you are doing it like a gambling. That's why you feel exciting. Because when something, why we get excited most of the time is because things are turning out without our expectation. So that's why you find it, wow, it's exciting, wow, it's going down, wow, I'm making profit, you know, that kind of things. But when you're not using any, like I say, you have no expectation into it, you just like see, okay, it's going to mark up higher, and then it's just an action, you just buy, okay, go for a bull. Then if let's say it's going down, then it's just an action like, okay, go for it back. Then everything is just focusing on the analysis. Seems like a buyer coming in, but here wise, I don't see much of like reversal. No. Doesn't look like any reversal. There's no sign of reversal that is going to mark up higher yet. Let's see. Okay. How is the price movement? It's like fixed price moving up and down. Okay, price is down, but we have to check how can they sustain here or not. You know, sometimes if I say it's strong, then they get push it back higher, and there's no point. So does it mean that they were like curving it down slowly? I don't think the price down will hit the benchmark. See the high volume. Okay, price down. So right now is more than half of the price up. Okay, the price is already down more than half of it. So it's back to our break-even point. You can see it's 8,000. Okay, so the value 8,000 Hong Kong dollar. So it's about like maybe 4,000 plus ringgit. So right now it's a bit stuck there. It's not going any down. It's moving up and down. Damn. There's no high volume, so let it have a bit of rebound, then it makes more sense. Up and down, up and down. Today, major stock: HSBC, Meituan, AIA. It's the major stocks that in the Hang Seng Index, the component stocks that contribute a lot. Every day will be different. Okay, so whether it helps the trades, not really, because it changes over time. If that is a continuation like that, then the trend is set. Look at something called bull contract. I might look at 69879. If let's say they continue mark up and then press it back down, but press it back down slowly and mark up fast and press it back down slowly, I'm gonna change it into, I'm gonna do a cut loss and then move into a bull contract. Right now we are at the bear contract, so we have to see. Indeed, it's marking up, but let's see how far they can go. It's not pushing up fast. Oh yes, it is. Let's see. Fast up, it's getting close to the previous high. Left 20 over a second for this candle. Aggressive. Okay, so this is exactly what I see here. Say just now, fast up and then throw down slowly, fast up and then throw down slowly. So right now we wait for them to have a price down slowly, then we do a cut loss. After we cut loss, then we move into this 69879. Although it's 7%, but I think 7% is still okay. It's not like 10%. I think it's because it's cheaper. Or maybe 69729 also can. 69729, I think it's better. Hey, don't go up so fast first lah. Retrace first can. Oh, I need to write down before later. I forgot. 69729 is what we are looking for later. So later we can straight away sell the 512021. It's forming. This is a sign of reversal. It's going to move up high. The call is a bull right now. So I'm just looking at when is the time for me to do the cut loss at the lesser price. So I don't want to cut loss at the high side, or I don't want to enter at the high side. I want to enter it when it's down. Although it's keep on moving up higher. So let's see. I think today's the trade can take us up to after lunchtime, like yesterday. Wait for it. Don't want to cut at such a high place. We can cut at the lower side. Hey, come on now. Press it down first. Okay. Don't move up so fast. Press it down first. Go down, down, down. Down, 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 down. Yes, that is correct. Go slightly lower first, okay? Don't need to rush to move up, because you need more power to push it up higher. Yes, yes. Come on. Down. 0. If I want to sell. Yeah. Just park it at this point first. So when I want to sell, I can sell it easily. So second one. Reaching to the price peak and have a short retracement. See how far the retrace can go, okay? I'm expecting maybe up down to here only, not much. So bing bang, up down, up down. It pause here. That's it. Yes. Go down lower. I think, come on, go down lower. Sing. Go down lower, sing. Wow. Come on, man. Oh, come on, man. Second. Come on, man, go down lower so that you can go up higher, okay? If I were to cut 3.6, losing about 800, still okay. Let's wait a little bit more. So if there is a high volume that is sell down, means that there will have after effect of continuous sell a bit more down, but not continuously go down a lot. Okay, so another gap down. Is this the bottom of it? So I think might go down to half. I think it's about like 3.7. We can get out at 3.7. So 3.7, if it's 800, then I mean cut loss at 600. I think it's fine. 600 of cut loss is fine. New candle. Gap down. Up higher. 1, 2. Possible? No. Let's do the cut loss, okay. Straight to 3.5. So that we can sell immediately. Then back to 6.9. 6.9. 6.9. What? 6.9729 here. Hey, where is it? 879. Actually, not much different. But this one 7%. 79. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, order field, we got it in at 5.7. 5.7, okay. We got it in at 5.7. That's it. Where the reason why I say is there will be a reversal is because usually when you see like fast up, slow down, and things like that, then it's a sign of reversal that is coming. So yeah, that's why we move into a bull right after that. So basically we cut loss at 1,000 just now, you can see, okay, or 1,000 Hong Kong dollars, so it's about like 500 plus 600 ringgit. Then we're gonna look into this. This is where we entered 160. Okay, consider 160, 19160. So if it goes up to the benchmark, then we have about like 140 points. So 140 points, if let's say there's about like 12 ticks, then we're gonna have like 2,000 plus, so it's able to cover it. No issue on that. Right now we just have to watch, monitor, and see. So let us know, let me know, what do you think about this? What the hell? Oh, here is 5.6, okay. This area 160 is about like 5.7. So you can say like almost 10 points of Hang Seng Index movement equals to 1 cent of this callable bull or bear contract, bull bear contract. Come on, let's go, let's go. Yeah. It's gonna take a long time for them to move today. usually this kind of price movement, like throughout the whole day, is not going to have like shoo up. Okay, it's gonna be like that. Maybe after 12 only they'll have another round. So what I do today, I'm gonna watch and have the price up. If let's say reach the benchmark, watch for any reversal, then I'll go for a bear contract again. Okay, that is the plan today. So let's see. Hopefully I won't do stupid thing like yesterday again. At the moment we have about 200 points of profit. Okay, still 5.7. Okay, should be 5.8 right now. Okay, I think maybe someone bought it at 5.8, so that's why the price is done jump to 5.8. Okay, it is 5.8, so we have about 200 points of profit. Okay, so at least today everything I'm following the rules. Entry here actually shows like there's continuation, but I think what I need to improve on is the not entering too early. So I always like enter here too early, okay, thinking that it's going down, then after that only it shows up. So I think what I'll do here is that if let's say 10 a.m. before 10 a.m. it doesn't have the price haven't hit the benchmark range, okay, after market range, then I'll just wait until like 10:30 to see how is the price movement next time. So if the price movement it shows like they are going to have a reversal, then only I enter. So if there's no, it doesn't hit the benchmark, then I'm going to wait until 10:30 for entry. Excuse me. So new rule setup. That's how it works. Yeah. The process. So constantly, trading is not just like following one fixed asset. So from there, we need to reflect and see what are the things that we need to change and to make it better. So that should be the things that we should enjoy it. Okay, of course, every one of us, we enjoy making profit, everyone loves it. Okay, so but things that the most important thing is sometimes not about the goal. For example, if let's say you're a footballer, they can't just think of scoring goal or winning championship and things like that. If they just think they don't do, then it's not going to help. So that's why they need to do a lot of practice. Practice, okay? In terms of speed, in terms of like speed stamina, in terms of like workout. So that's why a lot of little things that the process actually make a big part of it. It's a big part of the goal is just the goal, okay? That one, when the process you are done, you do it correctly, there's no worries on that, okay? The goal, the objective, you meet your expectation. As simple as that, okay? So it's all about our own self-control at the end of the day. Reaching to the new high at 19190.84. And are they moving up higher right now? Oh, I forgot to check the volume, see whether they are. It's not that high, so it shouldn't have any of the reversal is here yet. Considering it high, I think it should be about 300 over million. So right now, the closest one is only like 246. Go asing. Go asing. Hey, it's already up so much, why it's not changing yet? Come on, man. GJ, don't be funny here. Okay, just now here is 62, so already up like 3 cents, 30 points, and you're only up like 1 cent. That is so slow. Come on, man. New high 19212. So it's about 90 points away from the benchmark area. So okay, we have a high volume, 300 over million, so which means that they will have a retrace first, or maybe retrace first, then they mark up higher later. Okay, so they will have another price markup session. We will just have to wait. Okay, 6-4. Okay, that makes sense. All right. Okay, and sending up to a new high, 19224. And then another new high, 19225. So just now the previous one is setting a new high volume. Is 362 million. 6-7. At the moment we have 10 ticks of profit. We are 60 points away from the aftermarket price range, future price range. It's another new high. It's a new high. It's a new low. Man, it will have a retrace. Bam, 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 bam. They need to have one retrace, then another round of price up. So chill if let's say a retrace is coming. Okay, some of you might think that, okay, I should actually sell it right now. Actually, a retrace after a huge price up is pretty normal, so don't have to worry so much about that. So it's gonna be like up again. If let's say up again at this point, then retrace, and 11:30, see whether they will mark to this level. Then we can finish our first trade before lunchtime, so that is good. Bum, 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 bum. It's another new high, 19245. Hey, come on, it's higher than the previous one, so right now I changed to 6-7. Come on. Okay, that is good. That is good, GJ. Oh, it's another new high, 19245. Are they losing momentum? Time to box. Refuel. Fill up some petrol. Continue to move up, 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 higher. Right new high, 19250. 19251, 19254, and we are getting close to where we have to be. Okay, at the moment we have 11 fixed profit. Bum, bum, bum. Same. Oh, it go up so much already. Move a bit lah, change a bit lah. 6.9 at least. 19263, 19265, and then it starts to fall. Okay. I need to be careful right now. And this is a high volume, it shows, and then here continuation of price up. So it might be the end of it. New setting a new high to 65, but there's no retrace yet. It should have a retrace. And it's still moving up, and there's no retrace. You know why I keep on asking for a retrace? Because if let's say you have a retrace, then it can go up higher. And you know, I always say like the faster you move up, the faster it goes down. And this is where it means. Hey. Okay, let's wait for it to have a retrace first. Okay, so we can have a rest of looking at it moving up higher. It's pretty strong. Okay, it's pretty strong. So just now the highest it went up to 270, so only like 30 points away from it. It's a gap down. I think the retrace will be somewhere down to here, maybe to here, 226 or 2220, 200 points plus. Excuse me. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce back up. And then continuation of the price up. If it does down to and then move up fast up to this area, down to and then move up to this area, confirm we can go for a bear contract right after that. Oh, did I have a good sleep last night? Sorry. So I look bloated today. Come in, let's see how far they can go. Is it moving up? Is it? Are they moving up? No, I trade this CBBC and this Hang Seng, trading this Hang Seng index, having this opportunity to know about this is, wow, it's great. At this moment where Malaysia market is actually pretty low, down, boring, small fluctuation, things like that. So recently, I can tell you, I think almost 1 month I didn't look into Malaysian market because I have this. Enough of rest? Is asking enough of rest? So wow, very good stamina. After a long stretch like this, and then just a small rest, and he is ready to go again. Really? You see, you need more rest. Oh, 豆荚. Hmm. Pricing move like this is the first sign of a reversal showing up. But let's watch. I think it's gonna be like ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, and then maybe 11 they start to have another round. Boom. Maybe. Down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Oh, I need food. I had my coffee just now, so right now I need food. So what I'm waiting for it to reach to the price range, and then I enter into a bear market, and then I can go for food. Go for a bear contract, and then I can go for my food. Down is correct. Should I take my profit right now? I want my roti kosong. Today, if I take the profit right now, I can go for nasi lemak. Okay, I mean no, I can go for a roti telur. If I don't take, then later on I'm gonna have roti kosong. Actually, take already. We can go for nasi lemak also lah. Okay. You see coming up again, it's like slow down, fast up. 2 plus, okay, here is about the range. Then we watch. It doesn't make sense if I say it's a price up today. So buyer is in. Right now we just need to wait for the seller. Seller is in right now, so just need to wait for it to get it done. So I don't think today the price will close at the high side. In short term wise, it is the bottom for price, short term price fall. Down to 1000 only. Why this GJ, the price fluctuation is so slow? Bad entry for that. Bad selection. If we look into this, okay. Plus, I think it should go down about like 100 points before they have like price markup. If it's down 100, then it will be here 270 down to 271. Wow, that's a lot. But today, a price markup here is not that much. Let's see. Here, up to here. Okay. 200 points. So going down about 100 points. Okay, fair enough. Okay, we just watched the here. It hasn't reached the benchmark. It has about 30 points to that. Of course, it's not necessarily means that they will hit the benchmark at the high side. Sometimes you can hit it at the hit up to here. Haven't touched it, but it goes back down. It can be this way. Is the selling pressure done? Don't think so, because buying is not that strong, not showing, okay, not showing that strong, but is some selling. There are some selling going on. Big boys are still selling a little bit. Sometimes why the price can go up is because there's an absence of seller. obviously this part there's an absence of seller, so means like at the moment right now there's not many sellers in the market. Come on, baby, sing. You can do it, baby, sing. High volume on this. Doesn't make sense. Continuation of price down. Okay. Eleven. We have about 1,000 profit. That's not much. Because it press it back down here. Guy. 14 seconds, 13 seconds, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New candle. Just now I said about like 2 and 200, right? Somewhere around here. So it should be lower, I think. Sellers still exists, but lesser selling pressure. It's just right now it's an absence of buyer. Why am I thinking? Okay. Without me knowing myself, I'm putting some expectation that the price can move up to here, but it's not always the case. As long as we see a reversal price and volume action show up, we should take the profit. That is my trading objective. So which means that just now I should take the profit here. So right now, what can I do? I have to wait. It could be a bottom here at for a short-term price fall right now because the volume itself is showing signs like that. But it's not like really confirmed it's a bottom, just a very weak bottom. All right, so right now it's 11:19. So what I would think is that they start to move sideways here until market close for lunch hour. At the moment, I think we only have like, which profit is it? 592, back down to 200, 400, 2 ticks of profit. So, all right, I can just wait. All right, so and see how the thing it goes. Like I say, it's going to have a retrace right now. The retrace is done, so they need they will have another price up. Then we see, is there any reversal that is going on? Okay, then when it reach this area, then I'm going to go into a bear contract. All right, so right now at the moment, just continue to watch it first. All right. And just watch. Let's do it until 11:30 and see how it goes. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Ain't going to form a bottom here. Is this the bottom forming from here? At least the price fall is getting shorter. Second, 12 second. Okay, it's another new low from the highest point. And then they try to push it back up, but this cannot. Okay, these 2 days my exit is pretty bad because I'm putting my own expectation that thinking the price is going to come up to this level. But if I follow my exit rules, I should be exiting on at this candle. But I did not do it because my expectation for it to come to this level. If you really okay, so it's already 100 points of price fall from the top, almost 100. And it's closing to 11:30. It's going to take some time. I think after the market then only will show the price movement. Price is falling down, falling down, falling down. Okay, so right now, analysis. It's gonna take some time because it's going to be 11:30. That's when I reach 11:30 or 11:45, then everything start to move sideways. It won't have like one price up movement kind of things. Okay, at least I see like fast down, slow up, fast down, slowly up, fast down, slowly up. This is some sign of reversal from the bottom. But just that, not sure how far they can go. Almost 100 points. Our entry was somewhere here just now. Ooh. Someone push it back up. Here comes the buyer. Here comes the buyer. They are fighting. The bull and the bear is fighting. Up and down. Who is going to win? Who is going to win? Is the bear or the bull? We are here to find out soon. You push it back up and press it down. The bear smack the bull down. The bear smack it down. 100 points right now. Smack it lower. The price down is a bit too much. But it's a very high volume. So which means if they have a small price pause or a small price up, then they'll have another round price down first. So we have to tahan the price falling moment. This high volume is how much is it? 300 over million. Okay, I'm just gonna put it here first. So at the moment we are in break even or cross, so here we are waiting for it. I'm waiting for it actually to have a reversal, you know, kind of things, because after a huge price up from here they will have like another price up, but 100 points price down, okay, consider one huge range from here is acceptable. It's just going to take a very long time for them to move back up higher. So I don't think they will do it like before 12 o'clock. So they will do it like maybe after 12. Because the traders, I think in Hong Kong, they always go lunch 30 minutes earlier. So right after that, it's gonna be like sideways things like that. Okay, so yeah, that's it here for today. And of course, we did a great job on cutting the loss for changing it into a bull contract. Okay, from bear turn to bull. Although we have the losses about like 5 ticks, which is for my case is about 1,000. And right now, of course, did a bad job for this exit because too much of expectation from my own, expecting that it can move up to the benchmark area. We could have taken more profit. So right now it falls into myself. I falls into a point where I keep thinking like, okay, it should have actually moved up higher and things like that. So that's why I'm still having this open position here. So let's see how it goes. So let's see after market how it goes. But overall, this one is up. It's still hard to say. Okay, let's see how it goes after that when it starts to have a bit of price pushback up higher. Okay, all right. So thank you very much for joining, and I'll see you guys again next week. And if, of course, if you like this session, remember to give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. So whenever we go live, then you get notification so we can watch it. Okay. And of course, if you want to open a trading account, you can scan the QR code, or if you can't scan the QR code, you can go to the description box. There's a link for account opening. Once open, let me know, let us know, drop us a message, and then we'll add you into our broadcast list. Okay, thank you very much. See you guys again next week. Bye bye.
Round and Surge. True traders react to the market.